It is 4:32 p.m. on 2020 08/25. 4:32 p.m. 2020 08/25. You can see this. I just took a shower. It's been like maybe half an hour since it was previously emptied. The air conditioning is currently on. Haven't used the toilet since I started taking a shower, and don't believe any of the water was used downstairs either. It's coming up to right there, kind of. And look down here. No water. No water. No water. And appears to be literally no water. No leakage from down below. It's only backing up in backflow here.